guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's already Christmas as of now, so we're going to learn a few things here about Christmas in Haitian Creole, and let's go ahead and get started.
So here we have Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. In Haitian Creole, that's Jwaye Nwèl et une bonne année. Jwaye Nwèl et une bonne année. And now we're going to see some Christmas essential words and decorating terms.
It's nice to find somebody with such devotion to Christmas.
For example, we have Christmas Eve, that's la veille Noël. La veille Noël. New Year's Eve, la veille nouvelle année. La veille nouvelle année. Christmas tree, that's Abdi Noël or sapin. Abdi Noël or sapin. Fireworks, feu d'artifice. Feu d'artifice. Light, lumière. Lumière. Bell, that's cloche. Not clutch, okay? It's cloche with a sh sound. And in here, we have Santa Claus.
The name is Santa Claus.
That's Tonton Noël or Père Noël. Tonton Noël or Père Noël. Ornament, that's ornement. Ornement. Tinsel, that's guirlande. Guirlande. Scented candle, baleine parfumée. Baleine parfumée. Candle, baleine. Baleine. Wreath, that's couronne. Again, couronne. Web lights, lumière internet. Lumière internet. Okay? And Christmas present, that's cadeau Noël. Cadeau Noël. And so here, we're going to see the verb to wish, which is souhaiter. Okay? To wish, souhaiter. And in here, very common, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Nous souhaitons un Joyeux Noël et une bonne année. Nous souhaitons un Joyeux Noël et une bonne année. So let's go ahead and sing that song, which is very common.
Thank you so much for watching the video. Again, this is Dimitri Athis, your friend. Do not forget to subscribe, comment below, turn on the bell, and share the videos to your families and friends. Again, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Jwaye Nwèl et une bonne année.